Hello YouTube, Anonymous Stacker here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing if you guys find value or just enjoy watching videos about silver, gold, and other precious metals. So if you're considering to buy silver or gold right now, I think that's a great decision. You can preserve your wealth, save money, and use it as a hedge against inflation. And if you're interested in my top 6 reasons where I discussed and shared my opinions on why people buy silver or gold, make sure to check that video out, and I'll put one of the links on the top of the screen right now. So there might be a better investment other than gold and silver for some of you. So if you're considering to buy precious metals and you have a debt, specifically a credit card debt, do not buy precious metals, as on average gold would move 10% a year and silver moves somewhere about 12% a year. But considering the premiums that we pay, it's about like 10% on average, you can say, for silver, and about 8% or 9% for gold per year. That's the return that you could expect realistically, considering the historical data. However, the credit card debt, on the other hand, will not just increase gradually with a 20% interest per year, but it will also compound if it's not paid in time. So don't forget, when you convert your cash into precious metals, you're getting your wealth out of the fiat system. But if you have a debt with interest, you will be trapped in the fiat system until it's paid off, and you have to, make a run for it against the 20% per year that keeps on adding on to your debt. I think a lot of stackers don't realize that when they pay for their gold or silver or any precious metals with their credit cards and delay their payments, that's doing more harm than good. So make sure to stay debt-free in 2021. Now, some may argue that there is good debt, but my religious views won't allow me to promote or use any type of interest, but that's a topic for another day. Thank you so much for watching, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and please share your thoughts and your opinions in the comment section down below, and check out one of these recommended videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.